Here's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with great features you'll love. Refrigerated box located in the console. Front heated leather bucket seats. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. External memory control. Honda Link. Dual zone climate control. Automatic transmission. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. And V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Experience it for yourself today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.